Hello everyone, welcome back to HeredityBio Academy YouTube channel, your go-to destination for mastering laboratory techniques. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of reagent preparation. Whether you are a scientist or just starting out, having the right reagent preparation is essential for successful experiment. We will be sharing step-by-step procedures for various reagents used in different experiments for making your experiment easy. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this. So we'll be going to start our reagent preparation video in a series wise manner. So let's get started. Today we are kicking off our experimental reagent preparation series with a foundational solution, that is NaCl stock solution. It is 2 molar of NaCl stock solution. NaCl or table salt is a crucial component in many laboratory solutions. Those are especially used in cells and tissue research like PBS, TBS or many wafers. This 2 molar NaCl solution is essential for adjusting the tonicity of these buffers. For the preparation of 2 molar NaCl solution, we required NaCl, distilled water, measuring cylinder, beaker, magnetic stir plate, weighing machine. So first, we will measure 100 ml of distilled water. Transfer half of the water to this conical flask. For the preparation of 2 molar NaCl, for 100 ml we need 11.6 gram of NaCl. We will weigh 11.6 gram of NaCl. Then we will add 11.6 gram of NaCl to this conical flask. Then we mix it by the help of magnetic stir. Stir it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll make up the volume to 100 ml. Now our 2 molar of NaCl stock solution is prepared. Then we will transfer this solution to a properly labeled container. Our 2 molar of NaCl stock solution is prepared now. After that, we will autoclave it and store it for future experiment. Thank you for watching HeredityBio Academy. Until next time, happy experimenting.